Hello friends! I am drawing a bathroom for my cute doll. Bathtub! Do you take your bath in the bathtub? Let's color! My Barbie doll will love this bathroom.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4. He ran out the
Rainbow curtain. Bye bye.